Hey, let me sit with you for a moment and talk about something that changes the way you experience your evenings. When you look at the Sony A90K, you're not just looking at a TV. You're the type of person who notices the little things, the clarity in shadows, the richness in color, the feeling when a scene pulls you in instead of just playing in front of you. You're someone who wants your setup to feel intentional, not accidental. Before we go deeper, you can check the current price or stock anytime through the link. There's always that point where you realize your old screen isn't inspiring you anymore. The colors look washed out, the motion feels jittery, or gaming doesn't hit the way it used to. You're tired of tweaking settings trying to squeeze out a little more performance from something that's simply past its prime. You've outgrown that phase of settling and pretending it's good enough. The day you switch to this OLED, you feel it immediately. The blacks look like someone turned off part of the world. The highlights glow without burning your eyes. Even the menus feel smoother. It's that moment where you sit back and think, oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. And once you see picture quality on this level, going back is impossible. It ruins average screens permanently. Real life is where it shines. Late-night gaming sessions where vivid colors make every world feel alive. Watching movies with Dolby Vision where the contrast hits so hard you forget the room you're sitting in. Sports where the motion feels so clean you don't even think about the TV anymore. And if you have a PlayStation 5, the optimization feels like the system was built for this panel: faster response, richer detail, smoother gameplay without fighting settings. If you're curious about deals or stock shifts, check the link sooner rather than later. OLEDs like this tend to swing unpredictably. If you're wondering whether a 42-inch screen is enough, or if OLED is worth the jump, those doubts fade in a day. The compact size actually becomes a strength, perfect for bedrooms, gaming desks, or smaller living spaces without losing any cinematic feel. The surprise benefit you don't expect. How immersive it is at close range. It turns a regular setup into something that feels premium every single time you turn it on. Then there's that quiet ownership pride that stays with you. You walk into the room, see this sleek panel, and you feel elevated. Like you made a decision that reflects your standards, not your compromises. It's a piece of tech that says you recognize quality the moment you see it. Colors that feel alive, motion that stays smooth, black levels you don't forget, gaming that feels upgraded instantly. Downside is possible burn-in if you ignore care. Brightness isn't as intense as larger OLEDs. At some point, you stop comparing numbers and admit you already know which one feels right. If the Sony A90K fits the picture you've been imagining, check the link, see where the price stands today, and make the move when it feels right.